because I'm starting a new job at the city thanks to my BCIN exams going super well. I need something that will grow out nicely. I'm going to put in a picture of me with like blonde balayage, and I had like blonde in my hair that was like at a level 9 or 10, and it still grew out really nice. And so I thought with the warmer or like the darker blonde it would grow out even better, but I still think this is too light. And postpartum, I just don't want to have to deal with like dyeing my hair and worrying about roots and stuff like that. So I also don't want to go as dark as I did, like the almost black I had. I don't want to go that dark. I'm trying to match this color as best as I can. So I do have a color that's 2 shades darker than this, and we're going to try that out and see if I can kind of like, basically I want to cover the stuff that is existing and then like smudge just like the crown up. I'm not sure. Okay, so basically I used 6G, which is like, so it's 2 levels lower than 8, but it's golden. And I'm trying to make it a bit more neutral, and I only got half a tube of this. I think what we're gonna do is the remaining of 6G and then mix just a little bit of the 3N. It's going to make it a tad darker. I'm not going to put too much because basically, like, imagine adding like a little bit of black to white, you're going to get gray real quick, versus if you have black and you add a little bit of white, it's going to still look pretty black. So yeah, so with this light color, I don't want to add too much of the dark color for that reason. I do have the cooling violet drops still. So the idea is the 6G has more yellow tones in it. A few drops of this will cool out some of those yellow tones, and then just a little bit of the 3N as well. So that's what we're going to do. So basically I've got about half a tube of the 6G. I'm going to probably put like a quarter of a tube of 3N. Like, I don't have a lot of hair to dye. So, okay, we're going to see how that works.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before.
Okay, so it's definitely starting to turn color, and I'm just going to watch it because I want to make sure blonde is covered, and I don't have like see even here I have some areas where I feel like the dye hasn't started turning. I'm just going to keep rubbing the dye in on these areas. Hope for the best, basically. Okay, so the whole entire goal of this was to match my root as best as I could. And I don't know, I think I'm nailing it. Like, this is really starting to blend out. So what I'm going to do now that I've waited a little bit is bring just a bit of that color into the root that's already there, just to kind of blend it. Some of it I've already done that with, but like, just like this, you know? Very professional. But I think the color is close enough that I won't have an issue here with that blend. Yeah, I think I nailed it, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking a lot better. Okay, so you can see that it's still slightly lighter than my root, which is completely fine. Like, I literally just wanted something that when I grow it out, it's not going to be like a harsh root line. And I think I nailed it. Like, it really does look very close. Now, when I rinse it out and over the next few washes, it will get lighter. So I'm kind of hoping it goes just a smidge darker, but I think this is as good as I was getting doing it on my own. Okay, like, no one even talked to me. I slayed this. this. I really did. Like, the root is so natural now. Like, you can't really tell where it starts and ends. Which is perfect, because I literally just want to grow my hair out. I feel more like myself now. I haven't had my natural hair in a long time, so I just wanted something I can grow out. Especially like postpartum, like who's gonna do their hair and stuff? Postpartum, not me. Like, not this woman. But I'm gonna get ready for date night and show you the final look.
And I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice. Cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go.